Hi people, in this video I'll be reviewing about FlexClip.com. So FlexClip is basically like an AI studio or also just creating videos and scripts and basically all that. So I'll just go back here. First, you're gonna create an account, which you could create an account here. You could go to the profile page or it will say sign in or something like that. But yeah, so you need to sign in or make an account and also just try to work it out, I guess. Okay, after like you have created an account, basically I'm gonna cover this, which I don't think I'm very good at covering. But anyways, if you click on that, then it will show how much credits you have, and basically the credits is how much you generate in the AI bots or whatever. Say, yeah. Oh. Okay, so after I log in into this, you're gonna see a lot of templates on the home screen. You could create some music tools. We're gonna check all of these out. So yeah, you have your projects here, your templates. Templates is very popular in this app or website. So yeah, AI tools, just AI stuff. Brand kits, favorites, cloud space, and creating a team, which you can invite people to just create something like an AI generation or something like that. But yeah. Okay, so basically you have like the templates and all stuff. So we're gonna check out the create the magic tools. So this is the AI video studios, and here you have the image to video, text to video, yeah, AI video effects. Let's see, the script to video, blog URL to video, product URL to video, PPT, PDF to video, AI recap, auto edit, and text-based editing. So this one is you could have an image and you could drop it down to the prompt or the stuff and it'll turn it into a video, an AI video, of course. This one's from text. You could just type in something and it will automatically generate something that you have typed. This is AI video effects, which it'll just show effects which you have generated, I'm supposing. Scripts to video is just the same thing, just basically like text, but it's like scripts where it'll turn into a video that you have typed. This one is just whatever you create. It's like ChatGPT, but this one's more like scripts for like plays and stuff or something like that. Projects, presentations. This is from a blog URL and you can make it into a video, which is pretty cool. So you could type in something in oh my gosh, wait, a link, and yeah, you could just copy paste it on there and it'll turn into a video. You could go to Amazon and type in the product and make it into a video, which is pretty cool for that because I like, yeah, okay. Yeah, you get it. Yeah, hopefully. This PPT PDF to video is just a picture from somewhere, like a presentation or something, and you could create it into a video, which is pretty cool because it'll turn into like a presentation basically. This is AI recap, and it just shows all. I think I don't know what I saw actually. Okay, we're just gonna skip that. Okay, auto edit is it'll just edit your video and make into AI, like turn into AI, I guess, like from a video that you have put in, and it will just auto edit into something more AI, I guess. And text-based editing. So it'll just take out all. So it's just text and you're editing your AI videos or prompt that you have typed in, and you could take it out and it'll turn into a video, supposedly, or just anything. So we could go to image to video. Okay, let's see. Wow, this is a lot of templates, videos. That's actually insane. Okay, pretty cool. Okay. So I could just like bring it. I could bring like an image. Wait, I could just bring that image. I'm not kidding. Like, let me get an image. Okay, so if you guys know, it is Chikawa that I have picked. If you guys know Chikawa, it's like a little cute, white. I don't know what it is. It's like a bunny. No, not a bunny. I don't even know. Please tell me in the comments what is Chikawa. I think I should search it up. Should I? Yeah, I think I'm gonna search it up. Okay, it's a hamster. Okay. Okay. So we could create a prompt for this. Yeah. Okay. You could either choose it by 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So I'm gonna give me a video of him doing push-ups. I think Chicago is non-binary, but it's okay. It's shareable link. That's oh, sounds like it's okay. Wow, this is amazing. Interesting. And it does use credits for this, for the AI generation. So you need to buy a little bit, you need to spend a little bit of money on here. To, yeah, to just generate like an image. But it is pretty cool. I think, yeah, even though I'm trying to review it, I don't really get this, but really, I think that it's pretty simple and you have to buy like some tokens, which I don't think that's that expensive. I don't think so. I don't know. I didn't even check. Please don't hate me for that. But yeah, it does take a long time to edit or video. But anyways, yeah. So there's just a Chikawa, Hachiware. I don't know. Anyways, as that one loads, okay. After that one loads, we're going into text to video, which that you could generate a prompt for it. Which, a dog doing push-ups. Okay. Okay, no, both of them are. What in the world? Okay, okay, Chikawa's doing push-ups. That's, amazing. I don't think I really described it that much, actually. Like, that badly. Like, I didn't describe it that much after doing it, but it's okay. It's okay. Chikawa's. This is awesome. I don't think it's doing push-ups, though, but okay. Um, it's the AI's thought that counts, I guess. So, next one. That dog kind of looks creepy. Like, why is it like staring at me like that? Oh, okay. I'm just okay. Next one, we're gonna do AI video editing. Cause why not? Oh, okay. There's character swap, squish, dizzy, expansion, cakeify, product, crush, fuzzy kiss, hug, muscle, baby, bloom, bride, deflate, gib, ghibli, ghibli. Fight, puppy, picture book, gun shooting, action figure, Fiat, felt, hair growth, and Mona Lisa. Interesting. Okay, we're gonna add Chikawa. Okay, we're adding Chikawa. Okay, so let's see Chikawa. We're gonna get Chikawa some muscles. Right, okay. While they do that, we're gonna do. Actually, no, I don't think I have a script though. So I could do blog URL or product URL to video. You know what? I could do product to URL video because I think I'll just go to Amazon and just get like a product. Actually, no, they have like sample links so that you could just like sample it, I guess. So I'm just gonna analyze it. I think it's gonna take me to Alexa or something like that. Oh, okay. This is interesting. Oh, it's a Amazon Fire Stick. Okay. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Okay, let's see what they generate. Oh, it's a female. You could choose voices. That's pretty cool. General assistant, chat, customer service, newscast, angry, cheerful, sad, excited, friendly, terrified, shouting, unfriendly. And then you could choose the language, which is pretty cool. Yes. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, okay. And then you could do like the ratio of, is it like 1 by 1, 9, 9 by 16, 16 by 9. Okay. Okay, but just do that. 4.6. Negative 4.6. That's actually crazy. Okay, we could. Oh.
Tired of endless buffering and limited entertainment? It is time to supercharge your TV with the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Experience 50% more power than the previous generation for lightning-fast streaming in crystal-clear Full HD. Unlock a world of content with over 1.5 million movies and TV episodes from giants like Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney+. Stop paying for every show. Access over...
Okay. That's amazing, and it's still generated. Thanks. Okay. The other one's the voice is kind of creepy. Like look at the baby right there. But anyways, this is cool. This is pretty cool. Blog URL. Actually, we're not going to blog URL. We're really not. Like, I'm not going to blog right now. But anyways, we could do auto editing because I'm not going to blog. Yeah, I'm not going to like a blog article and just copy and pasting that. Auto edits. Okay. It's like analyzing the media while we wait for that. It's still loading, which. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, I think Chikawa should get some muscles. If this would load. What in the world just happened to Chikawa? Oh my god! Okay, sorry guys, I was really like over dramatic about that, but what just happened to Chikawa? I genuinely don't know what just happened. I'm actually scared. Why does it look like that? Okay. Oh, okay. I'm just genuinely scared because what in the world happened? Like, how is this possible? Like, it's just muscles. How do you get so devious? You just made Chikawa so like crazy, scary. Like, Chikawa's supposed to be cute, not scary and horrifying. This is I'm not gonna say it's terrible because it's not really terrible. Like, it's pretty cool, but like still, even if it's muscles, why is it so dark? It's like the topic is like so dark in here. But anyways, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, okay. Ew, it's Smart Life. Okay. How'd you call on this? Oh, oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so we're done with that part. Okay. Okay, so we got done with the first part of AI, and I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification for more other videos to see. Well, we're gonna do more videos on FlexClip anyways, and we're gonna just try out the AI text-to-speech next, and if you finish that early, then we'll do the AI image-to-image. So, basically, yeah, we just tried out the AI video studios. I hope Chikawa doesn't get devious and scary like that other one, but it's okay. So, hope you like this video, and bye!